Okay. Definitely throw that in some vinegar. How green that is. The hunter green it is. So we're just going ahead and spray a few little coats here on the bottom. We'll let that dry and then I'll do a little bit more. Now it's time to paint around everything. Let me get the pump nails in and everything out of the way. All right, I've done three coats on the very bottom, and that's what we're going to do here. Hopefully, all right, we'll put the fan back on it. And when I poured the kerosene or the Coleman fuel out of the big can, the original can, a big old clump of rust come out of it. Okay, that should be enough fuel there. But you see this big gold clob of rust in the can there. Okay, get a rag, get this up here. Put her lid on. Now, for the cage here, I didn't clean it up due to the circumstances. So, the little cleaning knob, it's got to be in between where you put the fuel at and the control knob. So, like in the front, and I want the handle to be 6 and 9, or 3 and 9, just like the pump and the fuel is there. But I'm gonna set this to the side for right now. I have to show you. I got to show you how your cleaning rod and your generator go together. So I had to put it together to prevent from losing everything. And it is aggravating, let me tell you, to get everything there. But as you can see, this little thing here for your cleaning rod, it'll just go up and down, up and down. Okay, well, you want it up. Go ahead and take this out too. This is what spent a lot of time. The inner nut, when you take it off, you want to take the inner nut off to take it off. And you have to be very careful because it's really fine threads and you will cross thread it. So let me spin this around a little bit, just enough to hopefully, okay. Take that out. Oh, I'll tell you what, we can go ahead and put him on. No, because that cage will hide it. But what I was wanting to show you is and it's still in there. Okay, it's not caught now, so maybe. I don't know if you can see that there or not. But how it's shaped, you have the little indentation. Well, that's what the cleaning handle goes up in. And then this little hole, that's what the little section of your generator needle goes in. So it just goes up and down. Anyway, it's a booger to get in and lined up in there, or at least I had trouble with it. But you want the notch out. So this lever could go up in it. There we go. Well, we can turn the lights out here. I can, so it's not blinding y'all. There you go. There you have it. The 220F 1969 model. Disassembled, painted, put back together. With the exception of the busted mantle. Let's turn a little. Good deal. All right. Y'all Y'all have a good one.